We build, we make, we nurture, we create. Against all odds, against harsh words, dismissals, threats, even violence. We rebuild when they shoot us down. We recreate. We love more fiercely. We fight back. Girls, what you create is worth fighting for. With your voice, with resilience, with action. Share this wordless book with friends. Listen to the story of their hunt, what they have built against all odds and will keep building. Join the conversation with other women and girls at #ThisIsMyHunt. The Hunt by Margaux Othats. Available from Penny Candy Books.